I'm going to show now another example of using watch points. In this case, I'm going to start with short temps, and in the short temp we have a field called this tabix. Is a global field that is always present in the SAP ABAP programs, and this represents the row in a table that is currently active. So we can take advantage of this field to put a watch point if the value here is not a very common one. If this is 0 or 1, then it's not really useful. But an uncommon number like this one, we can take advantage of that, and using a watch point we can very quickly stop in the place of the error. So let's see this example. I'm going to execute the program in debug. Then I'm going to create a watch point for this tabix value, and one thing I can do is I can remove the program name, because this global variable exists always, so we can just put the program name blank, and then it will stop in every program if this executes through multiple programs, so that's also an advantage. And I use the condition field here to put the condition that I wanted to stop on this 194. So this way, the watch point, when it's reached, it will stop when the line is 194. It stops this time, and then if I continue, it stops a second time, and it's the second time that is more interesting because it's the one that raises the exception, and I can see that it's in the line that will create the exception, so it's the correct line. So this, as you can see, it was a very quick way to go to the correct place in the code, taking advantage of the fact that this global variable has a value that is uncommon. I think this example is also a nice one to show that there are many ways to use watch points, and it's a very useful feature.